On both doors there are plastic tabs. The bottom of the door has fixed tabs. The top of the door has two tabs that can be moved. To retract the tab, you press the button in and push down. To extend the tab out, press in and push up. There is a front and back track on the cabinet. Each door sits in one of the tracks. To remove the front door, retract both tabs in so they are out of the tracks. You should be able to lean the top of the door towards yourself. Now you can lift the bottom of the door out of the track. Repeat for the back door. To put the doors back in, set the bottom of one door in the back track. Push the top of the door towards the cabinet and line up with the door track. This may take a few attempts to get the first tab in. Once you think you are aligned, extend the tab. Once you get the first tab, the second one is easier to line up. Repeat for the front door. Test to make sure both doors slide smoothly in the track. If one of the doors doesn't close evenly, you can try to level the cabinet. If after leveling the cabinet, the door still won't close flush, you can adjust the bottom tabs. Using a flathead screwdriver, you can move the tabs in or out slightly. The top of my front track door isn't sitting flush with the cabinet. Extending the bottom tab that is furthest from the gap should correct the gapping. This may require a few attempts and making some micro adjustments to get the door to sit properly.